The one thing that you can eat while tossing it up in the air is of course popcorn. And today I'm going to show you two different flavors of popcorn. One is our salted butter popcorn, the other one is the cheese popcorn. So let's see the recipe. Let's start with making the cheese powder at home today. So in a microwave-friendly dish, let's spread some breadcrumbs. Cover the base with breadcrumbs properly. Let's start grating some processed cheese. Make sure you spread it all over the base. After you finish grating the cheese, this plate is going to go in the microwave and cook for 5 minutes on half the power of your microwave. The cheese is dehydrated and you need to cool this down at least for a good 5 minutes. Just in case if you need a couple more minutes in the microwave, you can spin it for longer. Let this cool down now. And now let's break it into a few pieces and then grind it in the blender. In this way, remove all the pieces, break it into smaller pieces. Into this, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of dehydrated tomato powder. If you don't have this, you can skip it. 1 big pinch of salt. Grind all these ingredients into a powder. The cheese powder is ready and now, of course, we need to start making the popcorn. So the butter salted popcorn first. For that, I'm going to start heating up a pan. Add in 1½ tablespoon of oil, 1 cube or around 30 grams of butter. Add in 3/4 cup of corn. Cook them in oil and butter for a few seconds. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. Cover and let them pop. Swirl the pan around. Once it stops to pop, turn off the flame and also open the lid. Let's fill it up in this bucket. Butter popcorn is ready and I can't wait to dig in, but I'm going to control myself. Time to make the cheese popcorn. I'm just going to transfer the remaining popcorn into this bowl. Add a few tablespoons of the cheese powder. I'm going to cover it with another bowl. Toss the popcorn so that everything mixes well. And this cheese popcorn is ready. You need to remember one thing is when you make these flavored popcorns with any kind of powder, make sure that you add in the powder immediately after your popcorn is ready, while it's warm so that all the powder sticks to it evenly. Both the flavors of the popcorn are ready, butter salted popcorn and the cheese popcorn. You can make one flavor or make both and mix it together. Enjoy it on a game night, movie night or whenever you want. Do try this recipe at home, comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.